artwork going on through social media, somebody claiming something against me. I've already managed to contact the headquarters police in cantonment, and they have already told me this is not coming from them, this is no official from them, and they cannot do such a thing. So I have my own registered travel and tour company. So this is what I just want to also talk about it. And also I've already given this case to my lawyers, you know, this secreting stuff going on social media, to my lawyers to handle it. So
back then, if you are playing football, we just felt you are not serious with your studies and all that. Did you experience this as well?
My father was headmaster, you know.
Oh, wow.
And he wanted me to go to school, of course. But also I saw that this is what I have. At a point in time, he also saw it himself. So yeah, sometimes when I go for training, when I come, I will receive a little bit, you know, beatings, yeah. But that doesn't change me, you know. He always motivates me to do more, because I wanted to prove to them that this is what I have and this is what God has given it to me as well.
So back then, were you just playing football, you know, with friends and just saw it as something that I love to play, or did you have dreams of one day playing football as a professional?
Yes, I was playing on the street, and also what I wanted to do, what I wanted to become as a footballer, you know. So even when I was playing on the street, I was thinking that one day I'll be a professional footballer.
Wow.
Yeah.
And that one day came.
Yeah, one day came. Yeah.
Wow. So at what point did you start playing football professionally, or at what age?
I was 17 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so this would be the
under 17.
Under 17.
Yeah.
You guys won the cup, right? With
that was that was under 20.
Okay, you see, yeah. I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah. But how was that? You know, going to play, I mean, such a huge game, and then coming home with a trophy. That was AFCON.
Yeah. No, that was World Cup.
Yeah. Yes, World Cup. Yeah.
You know, every player wants to achieve something in life. And when we are talking about football, the highest level is World Cup. You understand? Because every league will break and watch it. So that make it unique. Yeah. So yeah, we went there we didn't go there because of Ghana or because of the players we have. We went there to do something for our motherland. Yeah. So it was no surprise to me that we won the World Cup, because we were very united. Yeah. You know, we were very united. We were a group that you can never come inside. You know, I'm not saying that we were perfect, you know, but we always make sure that we are together. Yeah.
So let's look at your football journey. So at age 17, you started playing professionally with the under 17.
Under 17.
And then from there?
From there, I went back to academy, which is Windy Professionals, who were playing also second divisions. And from there, I moved to second year Azakes, from second year Azakes to Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko.
I support Asante Kotoko.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I played Asante Kotoko,
yeah. And then from Kotoko?
And from Kotoko, I went to Switzerland, which FC Basel.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've been, at, if I'm not wrong, like 13 countries, yeah.
Wow, playing football.
Yeah.
You must be a very fulfilled footballer.
I'm lucky. I keep on, but it doesn't come like lucky. It's hard work.
Of course, of course. And then you also joined the senior side, the Black Stars. Now, how different was it, you know, the Black Stars and under 17?
Huge difference.
They are both national teams.
Huge difference, because that is the senior national team. That is the what do you call it?
Everybody's dream.
Yes, everybody want to play Black Stars, and also our Ghanaians focus us also on Black Stars. Yes. So yeah, when I get myself there, I was so happy. For me, this is something very good for me to be also part of it, and at the same time, we are helping the team as well. Because if you need, let's say, a foreign investor, if you need foreign investors, this is kind of a tour that you have to start going to showcase what the team has, and also if investors are coming, what is their returns? You understand? So it's all about
also putting the image of the team, building it, and at the same time also give some of the players also opportunity to showcase themselves. You never know, maybe after the tour, 1 or 2 players can get some teams there, and it's all about the team. And the playing body itself will get much confidence. Like my brother said, if they win the league this year, they will play Africa. So that confidence alone, oh me, I've played with this team, big facility, different environment, it will boost their morale to also play when they are playing Africa qualifiers, or maybe African, how to say, our CAF, Champions League. You understand? It to bring the confidence out.
Okay, very well. We'll have to be wrapping up the conversation here. I'm grateful, Jed Tilben, that he joined us here in the studio. But before we go, I must ask this, especially to you. The Black Stars are going for, the AFCON. What do you think Ghana's chances are at next year's AFCON? I think you played for the Black Stars.